Car buying checklist. Save big on unregistered, 0 km or stock clearance cars. Looking to buy a new car at the lowest price? This video gives you the ultimate checklist to make sure you get the best deal when buying unregistered cars. Previous year models. 0 km display, demo cars. Stock clearance offers. What you'll learn: how to verify if a car is truly unregistered. How to check manufacturing year vs registration date. Hidden risks of previous year models. How to inspect a 0 km car properly. Stock clearance secrets dealers don't tell you. Negotiation tips to save 50,000 rupees minus 2 lakh rupee jod tip. Always check RC details, manufacturing plate, and PDI report before paying. Got it? Let's go through each of these points in full detail, so it becomes a proper knowledge guide for anyone buying a brand new car and avoiding dealer tricks. How to verify if a car is truly unregistered. Check RTO records. Ask the dealer for the temporary registration details or check the Vahan portal, https://vahan.parivahan.gov.in. If the vehicle is already registered in someone's name, it's not a new car. Check temporary number plate. New cars are usually driven with a yellow background temporary number. If you see a white number plate, it means permanent registration is already done. RC, registration certificate, verification. Even if the dealer says, this is just for paperwork, always verify the RC issue date and name. It must be in your name after purchase. How to check manufacturing year vs registration date. Manufacturing plate. Every car has a small metal or sticker plate, often on the driver's side door frame or under the bonnet, showing month or year of manufacture. VIN number, vehicle identification number. Decode the VIN. Last 2 digits usually indicate year in many brands. You can search VIN decoder for your car's brand online. Mismatch alert. If the manufacturing year is 2024 but registration is 2025, the car might be old stock. Dealers may try to sell it as brand new, but it's actually sitting in the yard for months. Hidden risks of previous year models. Lower resale value. Even if you buy it in January 2025, a 2024 manufactured car will always be considered a year older in resale. Warranty period loss. Some manufacturers start the warranty clock from manufacturing date, not registration date. Check this carefully. Technology updates. You may miss out on new features, safety upgrades, or better engine compliance if buying an older batch. Tire or battery age. These start aging from manufacturing, so an older car might have weaker battery life or slightly hardened tires. How to inspect a 0 km car properly. Odometer reading. A brand new car should ideally have less than 50 km. More than that, it may have been a test drive or demo car. Paint or body check. Look for scratches, uneven paint shades, or small dents, signs of storage damage or repairs. Tire condition. Tires should have full tread depth and no cracks. Check manufacturing week or year. Written on tire sidewall, AG 4524 means 45th week of 2024. Interior condition. No worn-out seat fabric, stains, or unusual smells. PDI, pre-delivery inspection, report. This is your final checklist to ensure everything is working: AC, lights, horn, infotainment, power windows, etc. Stock clearance secrets. Dealers don't tell you old stock discounts. Dealers want to get rid of last year's models before new batches arrive. They may give 50,000 rupees minus 2 lakh rupee off if you negotiate smartly. Storage damage. Cars stored for long in open yards may have paint fading, rust, or battery discharge, but dealers often don't mention this. Demo, test drive units. Some dealers pass off demo cars as new. Check odometer and vehicle history. Hidden accessories cost. They may push expensive, mandatory accessories. These are negotiable or avoidable. Negotiation tips to save 50,000 rupees minus 2 lakh rupee jod. Time your purchase. Buy at the end of the month, quarter, when dealers are desperate to meet sales targets. Compare multiple dealers. Even if they sell the same brand, discounts vary. Target older stock. Use manufacturing year as a bargaining tool. It's a 2024 model. I want 1 lakh rupees off. Bundle offers. Ask for free insurance, extended warranty, and accessories instead of just price cut. Walk away power. If they know you're ready to leave, they'll offer their best deal. Pro buyer's tip. Check mark. Always check RC details, manufacturing plate, and PDI report before paying. Checkmark: get everything in writing, verbal promises vanish after payment. Checkmark: if in doubt, take a trusted mechanic or auto expert with you.